arguing, trifling, difficult, baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You could've.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Mulan Lee channel. And as you read that title today, girl, we are doing a day in the life with Mulan Lee. I got a couple things planned for today. I want this to be kind of like a self-care type of day because like this is my day off. I gotta catch y'all up, so in the midst of me doing these activities and the things that I want to do today, I am going to be telling you guys a little bit updated stuff on my life right now, because y'all haven't seen me since March, and that was like during my birthday time. Not even my birthday time, that was like spring break. Yeah, I've been missing in action for a long time. Not good, but we're moving on, because I ain't about to talk y'all to death. If you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button and subscribe right now. Go do that right now. But if you are already subscribed, welcome back, Mulan gang. Today is July 28th. It's on a Thursday. Today is a new moon, guys, so this vlog is going to be special because yesterday I felt like shit, I'm not gonna lie. And I feel like pretty much everybody in the universe felt like shit the day before, because like everything was overwhelming. We're releasing all this stuff because like the new moon is bringing in new beginnings. So yeah, I'm feeling good today. Let's start this day off right. Today is going to be a good day. Today I'm going to produce some content. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow my social medias that will be on the screen and also down below. Turn your post notifications on to get notified when I post.
In and out, in and out, in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah.
I am not sure how you pronounce this, but my doctor had prescribed this for me. Y'all, this shit helps with blemishes, dark spots, unexpected pimples, anything, you name it. Moisturizer. So I kind of decided to like go outside and sage, because I just wanted to cleanse my aura and my energy before I even get into my meditation. I just feel like cleansing before a meditation session hit different. Like you have a clear headspace going into your meditation. It's like the prep. if you watch my morning routine, go watch that if you haven't. But y'all know in the morning I have a journal prompt that I do every morning. And what I do first is write the date, so I can remember what day I actually journal. I do that for every journal prompt, whether it's this prompt, anything. I always keep the dates, because when you're looking back on your journal, you want to see and reflect on what came true, what you wrote about, and all that stuff. Like, as you can see, I like journal all the time. Like, I'm almost done with this journal. I actually need a new one. But anyways, I have this prompt I do every day. So the prompt questions are: today I am thankful for, and then I fill that in. Then today I will feel more, fill that in. I invite into my life, fill that in. And then by the cards I draw, I come up with an affirmation. So today's affirmation is: I'm trusting and having faith that positive things are happening for me and those around me. So what I wanted to do today is just like write down some intentions and goals. And if you could, you can do this too and put it underneath your pillow for tonight, underneath the new moon. And this helps the manifestations that you write down, your intentions and goals, come true. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to just journal down some intentions and goals that I have for myself over the next month, and then I'll get right back with you.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, I don't know why you love me.
Okay, now that I'm officially done with my morning routine as far as meditating, journaling and stuff, I'm about to make breakfast. Right now it's like 8:41. It's only me and DJ here as of now, so I'm gonna make both of us breakfast. I'm gonna be making myself a grit bowl, and I'm gonna be making him some eggs, sausage, and a waffle. And yeah, he's not up yet, but I kind of wanted to tell y'all what I had planned today, what I kind of wanted to do, but you know things don't go as planned, so I'm just gonna go with the flow today. And yeah, so what I wanted to do today is I wanted to go get some self-care products, because like I said, this will be like kind of like a self-care vlog. I want to do like a spiritual bath, everything, show you how you unwind on your days off. By the way, this is my day off. All right, so I wanted to I gotta pay some bills, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. I want to get my eyebrows done. I wanted to go get my car washed because it's dirty, and y'all know it's a new moon. We need to bring in new stuff. But the way you bring in new stuff is about clearing out old stuff, getting stuff clean, getting stuff out your physical space. So I wanted to do a Walgreens run because I wanted to get like some self-care products today. And like little shit. I don't want to get a lot of shit because like if I would go to Target, and if I go to Target, I'm going to spend a lot of money. So that's what we're not trying to do, spend so much money. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Walgreens, and I'm gonna show you how Walgreens compare to Target just a little bit. They have what you need. And yeah, so yeah, and then we just gonna let the day take us wherever it take us. All right, first things first, before I start on our breakfast, I'm gonna be getting these dishes out of the sink. It's only a little bit, but I just want to get them out the sink because I don't like cooking and it's dishes in the sink. So let me tackle these. All clean.
Normally I'm quick to switch up.
Alright, I put 2 pieces of bacon in there because I'm just going to crunch them up anyways for the grit bowl. So I'm going to just let that cook. And while I let that cook, I got these sausage patties. I'm going to put 4 in there because 2 for me and 2 for DJ. So yeah, I'm going to just put them in the air fryer and put them on like 8 minutes. I just got this little pan, which I'm going to just put some water in it. And this is going to be the pan that I use for my grits. The foundation of the meal. So, I'm not going to put too much. Not too much. Not too fucking much. Moving on, I'm cutting up these potatoes because y'all know I'm obsessed with potatoes. But I'm cutting them up so they can be a side in my bowl as well. Okay, so here I'm just cracking these eggs open. I'm only gonna crack like 3 because I'm gonna scramble them. I don't need that much. It's only 2 of us. And you must butter the pan so your eggs won't stick. So I'm just gonna pour the eggs in there. Y'all know how to make scrambled eggs. I ain't gotta explain that. Does anybody else just do hips all day long? Cause like I'm obsessed with it. Like I do it all day long. Yes, I did add milk to my eggs, so they are fluffy as fuck. They look very good and they were good. Yeah, get into them eggs. Da-da-dum. That's the grit bowl for your ass, and it's so good. Yeah, and this is DJ's plate. Okay, as I'm the only one late to this trend of getting like gang leaves, because I've been buying backwoods just for the name, and the stems be all throughout them. So if you smoke, you need to switch over right now.
Okay, pearled, okay.
It feels so good today, guys. All right, I know I just ain't feeling no raindrop. Okay, we can do a little chat. So update, I am now about to be a senior in college starting August 22nd. I will be working an internship and working a new job that I just started in June while being a senior in college. So this year is going to be interesting. I'm ready and I'm nervous, but I'm ready to get it over with, y'all. I've been missing it actually because yeah, I've been working. So yeah, I had a setback, I felt like, over the last couple months after my birthday, but I feel like I'm back on track. Definitely. Remember that bad times always help you get to be the person that you are. So don't never be mad at bad times, because you learn in those times, and whatever you learn, you take it on to when you get right and you apply it. So that's all I'm gonna just say. So that's where I've been missing in action, because I've been doing some inner work. The goddamn shit keep on freezing. Like, what is the reason? I'm gonna kind of call it a setback. I'm gonna just call it a reflecting moment. I'm about to go in because these bugs. I love being with nature, but bugs. They say everything has a purpose while they're here. Why are flies, gnats, and shit like that here? If you know, comment below. But I'm about to eat. Anyways, this is a side note, y'all. Bath and Body Works got their fall scents out already. So don't walk, run to get those right now. I'm back with another video, and today, as y'all read that title. Okay, so currently I'm about to co-wash DJ hair, and then I'm going to blow dry it out and do some twists. And this might take me like an hour or two, maybe 2 hours and 30 minutes. I don't know, it depends. So let's get to it. I'm going to be co-washing with this brand, Shea Moisture, the restoring kind, and I will be blow drying it out with this heat protecting spray. Protect your hair. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's. I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. We done did so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy back in my It's now 4:44. Them angels are surrounding me. But anyways, I'm gonna get gas, Walgreens, and I don't know if I'm gonna still do the car wash because honestly I don't feel like it. But I need to wash my car. It's not that bad, but I need to wash my car, so we'll see.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you.
If you didn't know, well now you know. Walgreens is the plug for hygiene products, skincare, vitamins, makeup, all that. This is the second Target. Looking 10 times better. Oops. And I'm about to get hit by a car. That after my eyebrows, I did stop and get gas. I filled my tank up so I can start the week fresh since it is Sunday. Y'all, gas is so fucking high. Alright, I will be doing a miniature haul of what I got on Walgreens, what I got out of Walgreens, which is this fluoride floss, my vitamins that I take every morning, some more native body wash, the coconut kind, because this kind just smells scrumptious. I got a fupa. I got these big shavers because they like clean up areas. Then I got some powdered deodorant because I have some deodorant, but it's like that new fancy type kind, and no, it ain't doing it. Then I got some Dr. Teal's for my baths today. Tap, tap, mama, tap, tap.